Okay, so I got some more things from Chanel, and it's of course from the holiday collection. But honestly, it's these charms that just do it for me. It's so cute, and I finally got the CC version. And you know me, I'm gonna pick up another one just to get another CC charm. So let's just get straight into it. Here we have the beautiful box, beautiful CC, and then it's got this square-shaped, compact-looking charm, and it just looks so cute. It started last year, and I love them. I'm wearing them as my earrings right now, and they just look so nice. And now you can get them at the checkout, and you can choose one of the 3 charms. Let's open the ribbon. Let me just show a close-up of the CC charm, and I'm going to do a DIY tutorial on how to change these into earrings, because these are metal and it's really nice quality. Inside we have 2 items. So first I'm going to go with the freebies. Always comes in a really nice pouch. So inside I chose the Coco Mademoiselle, and then I also got the #1 Chanel Creme Riche, and I personally really like this cream, and it's a really nice travel size to go to. And then in here I just got 1 item because this is the one that always sells out so quickly, especially during this month. Black Friday, honestly, there's so many strong discounts out there. In Boots there's 20% off Chanel. Like, when do you ever get 20% off in Chanel? It's crazy. I was sad they didn't have it in store, so I had to get it full price online. But I really do love this. This one I do buy time and time again. And the amazing thing about it is that it's 150 ml, so it does last quite a long time. And usually most cleansers are about 100 ml. It's so pretty, so classic, and I love how sturdy this cap is. Then over to this bag, I got this in store. They gift wrapped it for me, and it's so cute. And I love the ribbon detailing. Inside there's the tissue paper. And here we have quite a few minis in here. The first one I got is a mascara, and this is Le Volume de Chanel. So it's a nice mini travel mascara. Then I got 3 miniatures. I got 2 serums from the #1 de Chanel, so it comes like this. And then this one is the CC cream, which I have used like previous editions of it, but I haven't tried the new one. But this one's a nice one to try. So this is the CC cream in the color 20. And here we have the 2 gorgeous Christmas collection makeup. And when I saw this by eye, I was just mesmerized because these were so pretty. And when I swatched them in store, I was like, had to get it. So the first one I got is the jewellery, and it's the highlighter. Super gorgeous. And can you see, like, on the sides, there's these like sequin detailing. Both sides have it. Inside it has the velvet packaging, and it has 2 velvet packaging because one of them is the actual highlighter in itself, and then this one is the brush. Let's just open up the brush as well. It's a super nice brush, very fluffy, but it's also very flat, so it's really easy to travel with. And also you can really use this as like a fan brush, and it just gets that nice highlight at the top of your cheek. So super pretty brush. And then we have the velvet pouch for the actual highlighter itself. And if we open it, this is the golden CC. Again, every holiday, I love it. I'm actually wearing a lot of the Christmas makeup from last year's Chanel collection. Let me just do a comparison. So this is from last year's. So last year I got the eyeshadow and the highlighter as well. That one came in a jumbo size, so super pretty. And then this is the new one. The size matches the eyeshadow quads. On the back it says that this will last 18 months. And most Chanel makeup, they do last quite a long time, which is really nice. And if you open it, look at that. This is stunning. Super pretty, and I love the sequin detailing. Like, it just even has all the threads involved with the sequins and the CCs. I just honestly love the pattern in here. I don't want to ruin this now. I do want to swatch it for you. Let me just see if I can delicately. Oh gosh, it's very delicate. So I'm going to start off with this more lighter shade. It's very shimmery. Just gives that beautiful glow. And then we're going to go in with this more, gosh, I've ruined it already. Going to go in with this more goldeny glow. There's a lot of micro glitters in the more lighter shade, and then this one gives more of a diffuse glow, but it's really, really pretty. I actually am excited to use this on my eyes as well because I do love a good highlight around the eye area. So pretty. I did swatch this in store and it's super, super nice. So that's the first one. And the next one I have is the Lumiere Graphique, which is the eyeshadow palette. And we haven't had a quince eyeshadow palette from Chanel in a long time. Most of them have been quads as far as I'm aware. And again, we have the beautiful sequin detailing on the sides of the box. So let's open it up. Also comes with the nice velvet pouch, and inside also has the beautiful CC detailing right there. And I like that it's a quint because this time I can tell which one's the eyeshadow and which one's the blush and which one's the highlighter, because usually when I see two of these inside my drawer, I can't tell which one's which anymore. I have to label them somehow, or I just have to go through them one by one and just figure out which one's which. I'm glad that this one, I know for sure, will be an eyeshadow palette. So this one is super cute. And then on the back, you have the details of what's inside. This one also lasts 18 months, which is really nice. And if we open it up, this is stunning. Look at that color. Beautiful neutrals. I love these kind of just natural everyday palettes. And if you've been on my channel for quite a long time, you would start to notice that I tend to only buy a lot of makeup, especially makeup, just around the holiday season, because honestly, for the Black Friday sales, the winter festive holiday season, the big brands tend to come out with really lovely neutrals. There are some more exciting disco party kind of vibes, but most of the time the gifts that come out, they tend to be really nice neutrals. So my pattern has always been I stock up on a lot of nice makeup for winter season, and then for the rest of the year I'm pretty much good to go. So these are really, really nice colors and I'm so excited to use them. I like the brush that comes with this. It's got a sponge on one end and then on the other end it's a nice fluffy brush. I use these sponges actually quite a lot, and some people say you shouldn't really use them that often, but personally I really like using them. So let's swatch them for you. So let's start from this side. It's this nice, just cool tone, what do you call this? Like a cool tone metal, and then you got this deeper shade right here. These are really creamy and pigmented. I really like how they look. Then there's this really intense black shade. I think I've seen Michelle Wang use this as a eyeliner. And then we've got this really exciting white shimmer. Look at that. It's super chunky. I'm gonna put this on the other side. Wow. So shimmery. I love that. Honestly, the shimmer in this is like a really bright, like perfect icy snowflakey white. Do you see that? That is beautiful. I will be making a really cute makeup look with this, and definitely it's more cool toned than last year. Last year was definitely very warm tone, very coppery gold colour. So I'm wearing it all today, so it's very different in the colour story. Let me just show you a comparison to last year. This is last year's Moon palette. So if you are slightly more in the neutral / cool tone spectrum, this one this year would definitely be more suited to you. Last year's colour story is very warm tone. I personally can get away with it because I am quite neutral toned, so I can get away with either or. But definitely cool tone, this one might be quite difficult to pull off. But this one, I reckon this is your palette. So beautiful. I love this. So let me show you how I'm going to turn this beautiful charm into these really cute earrings. So now I'm going to take my little charm. These are so cute. And I'm so glad that they came out with the CC logo because it's super, super pretty. And it just matches a lot of outfits. Last year, I really actually worn this perfume bottle quite a lot. And it's just so cute. So you need 2 pliers. What I have is this craft kit. I got it from Amazon. I think you can get a better version of this, but as long as you got whichever earrings you prefer. I will link down in the description below which ones I got and which ones I might suggest getting, but otherwise you can get one of these. Inside you would get different versions of earrings, and I have quite a few of them. There's like rose gold colours in here that I haven't used yet, but I like to use this clip-on earring set. And it's just a nice open and you can like twist it depending on how big you want to clip it on. And then here we have this hook, which is where you can insert the charm. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take the gold one, and inside this loop I'm going to attach the gold CC. So here we have the main gold CC, and I'm just going to, where's the end? So here we have the end of it where it connects together. I'm just going to break that open. So just take either end and just open that up. It's quite tough sometimes. And that way you can isolate the CC out and take that right out. And then here we also find the same loop right here. And I'm going to open that one up as well. And I'm going to keep this loop on. You see that right there? You can see it's open. And that's where we can attach this to this loop right here. I'm going to connect that through. And then I'm going to close this back up. For the most simple version of the earring, that is all you have to do. And it's just a really nice, just beautiful earring to wear. And it just looks really elegant. You can actually add the extra charm on there. That could be another option. But otherwise, that's how I make all the earrings. It's just a nice way to just repurpose these charms. So that is everything that I got from Chanel. Honestly, the palettes are so pretty. And I will create a makeup look for you guys soon with these palettes because honestly, they are so nice to use. I think Chanel's quality in terms of eyeshadows and pigments have gotten so much better. They used to be a little bit chalky in my opinion before, but now, ever since the Tweed palettes, they've been making better and better formulations, and I've been really liking it. It's so much softer and it just brings out that nice smooth buttery texture. So if you enjoyed today's video, then check out my previous Chanel unboxing from the beauty department, and it's the gorgeous luxury makeup bags that were all over the US, but it's only just landed in the UK this year. So click over here and I will see you there. Bye!